Welcome to Session 6, Adding, Subtracting, Multiplying, and Dividing Fractions. Fraction operations make sense when the unit is tracked. Addition and subtraction require equal-sized pieces. Multiplication finds a fraction of a quantity. Division asks how many groups fit or how large each group is. By the end, you will be able to do the following. Add and subtract fractions and mixed numbers. Multiply fractions using cancellation and unit reasoning. Divide fractions by multiplying by the reciprocal. 3 ideas organize the lesson. First, addition and subtraction require equal-sized fractional units. Multiplication finds a portion of another quantity. Division by a fraction multiplies by its reciprocal. Worked example 1. Add 2/3 and 5/8. The least common denominator is 24. Rewrite the fractions as 16/24 and 15/24. Their sum is 31/24, or 1 7/24. Check. The estimate is a little more than 1, matching the result. Worked example 2. Multiply 7/9 by 3/14. Cancel the factor 7 with 14 and the factor 3 with 9. The remaining product is 1/3 times 2, which is 1/6. Check. A proper fraction times another proper fraction should be smaller than either factor. Worked example 3. Divide 2 1/4 by 3/8. Convert the mixed number to 9/4, change division to multiplication, and reciprocate the divisor. 9/4 times 8/3 simplifies to 6. Check. 6 groups of 3/8 total 18/8, the same as 2 1/4. Watch for this common error. Adding denominators when combining fractions. Correction. First create equivalent pieces of the same size, then add their counts. Use this routine, name the target and units, choose a relationship, calculate with clear steps, then estimate and verify. Identify what the operation means. Create compatible units or a reciprocal, simplify, calculate, and test the results against a benchmark. For more lessons and focused practice, visit bridge2exam.com.